guys, it's the Dutch Mermaid. Today we are diving the dive sites at 1,000 steps. And one of the things that you should know straight away is you do not have to walk 1,000 steps to get to the dive site. It's 73 steps. That is 73 steps down and 73 steps up. The dive site is located in the northern part of Bonaire and parking is super easy. You can park right here. But do note, if you drive further than this point, the road becomes a one-way road and you have to go back through Rincon. However, if you just turn at the 1,000 steps, you can still use the same road back. Alright, let's check out the view and these stairs. More than once, I have seen sea turtles right from this spot straight away when they came up to get some air. And that's why also 1,000 steps is quite a popular spot for people to snorkel, because you can encounter sea turtles right when you're snorkeling. Look, great view. Once you're geared up, it is time to walk down the steps and make your way to the beach. Then once you're at the beach, enter the water around here. And then it's time to go diving. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to subscribe right here on my YouTube channel. And if you like to see some more scuba diving videos, which I totally understand, then make sure to check them out here and here.